Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a quick project share for you guys. So this will be a super quick video, but I wanted to get on here and show you guys what I just created. I have a list, you guys, of stuff that I get inspired by, whether it's on Instagram or on YouTube, that I put together to myself and say, this is what I want to create when I have free time. And these little coin purses are definitely one of them. It's an SVG file that I will be linking down below so you guys can check it out. I made these with my Cricut and I sewed them, I stitched them, and I had so much fun with them. The paper that I used to create these little coin purses, I made these where you don't have to open them. They're just closed like that. They're an actual little embellishment, but you can open them and have little cards because they're meant to be like little gift card holders or little card holders. You'll see the file if you purchase it, but mine, I just wanted to make them small little cute embellishments to put in Happy Mail. And the paper that I used is Jen Hadfield Along the Way. You guys, this paper is so pretty. So of course I wanted to make these cute little coin purses. And the little word stickers that I used are from Maggie Holmes. And these are crepe paper little like sticky buttons and stuff. I think from a Valentine's Day collection. So let me show you guys how cute these are. This is about the size that they are on my hand. How cute is this? I made them cute little shakers, little sequence mixes. I did a bunch of different stitching all the way around. Super cute. I love them, you guys. They're so fun. And these are going to be like so cute to package them up and give them as a gift to a pen pal. Look at this one. So cute. I put little hearts also from the same pack that came, these little buttons. The little hearts were there as well. I did different sequence mixes to match the pattern of the paper. And then the last one is this one. So cute, you guys. If you haven't tried, you definitely should. I feel like when you stitch on a project, it looks just 10 times cuter, and it just gives it that extraness that you want to give it. I don't sew on all my projects, but I try to in some of them just to give it a little extra look on it and a little more texture to the project. So yeah, you guys, that is my super quick little project share for you guys. I just posted it on Instagram, and if you're not following me on there, definitely go check it out. And yes, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.